Come on, Jake, let's go. We're running late.
No.
What is it?
This is too tight.
It's fine. It's like 20 degrees outside. Come on.
This scarf is from when I was 5.
Whatever. Come on, guys, let's go. Stop complaining. Okay, you got the presents? Oh, there should be one for Scarlett. I think this one's for her. You got it?
Yeah.
Car's this way.
I knew that.
Whoa, boy, it's this one. It's gold. Oh, that's from me, from you. Well, we'll talk about that later. Come on, let's just get them in the car. About the car. What is it? You see, it kind of has no gas left, and we can't really drive in the snow. Great. Now we have to walk in the freezing cold. This is great. I wonder when they're coming.
Okay, I think we're ready. Oh, it's really snowing out.
Oh, yeah, her house is right here. Let's go. Oh, hey, guys, come on. Come on. It's freezing cold outside. Come on. A few minutes ago, the radar told me it will be snowing, and you guys might get snowed in today. So you might guys be sitting in my house over the night.
Oh, no.
Yay, we're going to stay at your house. I just like the smell of it. It smells like Christmas tree that just bloomed, if that makes sense. Really? What? It does, and that's from my smell. Anyway, as we're waiting for the snow to calm down, do you guys want to play gift swap?
Oh, I want to.
Oh yeah, we should start playing that. Can I go first? Sure, go ahead.
Oh, I like the silver one.
That one's from you, from me.
Oh, thanks. I love it.
You were always talking about your seashell collection, so I wanted to get you a big one.
Thanks, honey. Oh, sweetie, how about you go next?
Okay, Dad.
I want... Oh, this green one says it's to me.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, thank you. It's a new skirt.
Yeah, I thought you would like the pattern.
Thanks.
Now you should go next. Okay. Hey, this one says my name. Let me open it up. It's a new laptop for editing. Yes! Who got me this?
Don't look at me.
Oh, thanks, Mom. Gee,
You're
that's
welcome.
awesome.
This one's from you, honey.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I love it.
You said you wanted antique stuff, so I got you a coffee mug with Bunny, because you're Bunny.
Uh-huh. I love it.
Thanks, sweetie. I knew you would.
Uh-huh.
Everyone has opened one except for me. How about I give it a try?
Yeah. This one's from me.
Oh, cool. I love it. Oh my gosh, this bow is so cute.
And the necklace I made myself.
Yes, it's so cute. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, now that we finished, I wonder what we're going to do next.
Attention, attention. We have an announcement.
Oh, what is it?
Please stay inside, for it is snowing outside and we are snowed in. Do not exit your home because the roads are not clear. I repeat, the roads are not clear. You will get stuck and nobody can help you if you exit.
Oh no, it looks like you guys are going to stay with me for the night. Yay, more of the smell of blooming trees. Wait, they said do not exit, right? But, we can exit. What? No, we can't. They said do not exit. Well, you see, you got all the stuff to keep us safe. We got scarves, we got hats on, and we also got a shovel. What is that gonna do to us? We can dig the snow away from our faces. It'll be okay. Hey, she's right. We can go outside.
And they said that nobody help you if we get stuck.
You really think we're gonna get stuck? I feel like it's going to be fine.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on, guys. Yay, let's go. We made it out here. Yay.
It's cold.
It sure is. Wow, I can't believe we actually am coming out during a snowstorm. Oh my gosh, yes, I know. Well, I guess let's start playing with snow.
Yay!
Woo! Yeah! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So we had so much fun recording this, me and my sister, and we just want to let you guys know that Merry Christmas, because today is Christmas
And Happy
Eve.
New Year, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you guys celebrate.
Like,
Just Merry Christmas.
So today's Christmas Eve, and I'm so excited to go to bed and to wake up and to open all. Oh my gosh, yes! Well, hit that subscribe button
And turn on our post notifications
every time you'll get notified when we post a new video.
so you won't miss out. Yay!
Okay, bye! Peace out, God bless.
Jesus is the reason for the season.